St. Louis/Los Angeles Rams. Jerry Rice, little history when he gets in. But first, Tony Banks, first play of the game, picked off by Darnell Walker down to the 12. So the Niners on offense in the first play, let's get a lot of things over with. That's the way the Niners like to do it. Play action, Steve Young, Jerry Rice. Touchdown, 12 yards, 7-0 Niners.
Yeah, watch the coordination of the 49er offense. Jerry Rice in motion, going to run behind the tight end, screen Todd Light. He has to follow a while to catch up on the play. Too late to prevent the touchdown.
He breaks the tie with Art Monk for 184 straight games with a catch. Young to Rice 79 times for touchdown ties Marino and Clayton, and Rice with 17,000 yards for his career. Meanwhile, Banks at it again, picked off by Darnell Walker down to the 35-yard line. Steve, I got you, babe Bono. One-time Niner, wondering, will I get in? Remember Tony Banks missed the team flight last week. Well, in the TWA Dome, he missed more than a team flight. Picked off by Marquez Pope. Next Rams possession. Banks was sacked 8 times. 4 times by Roy Barker. There's one right there. Next play, that famous Banks to Walker combination get in. Problem, he plays for the Niners and knocks it down. Banks rolls left, knocked down by Ken Norton. 21-10 Niners in the fourth quarter, 11 minutes to go. Banks has scored a touchdown. And look at Jeff Wilkins. What a great play. The kicker recovers his own onside kick. So now the Rams are in business. Just down by 11. Banks in the shot. Oh, no. Fumbles the snap. Ken Norton recovers. Takes it to the 22 to Stick Vermeil's picture tell it all. Yeah. By the way, the Niners, Terrell Owens on the end around. Watch the moves here at the 10. What? With the spin at the 5. There's a touchdown. 22 yards. 28-10 Niners for Tony Banks. Sacked 8 times. Picked off 3 times. 16 straight losses for the Rams against the Niners. They've now lost 17 of 18. This is at home